Welcome. Today, we're discussing Mvelopes, a budgeting tool that uses the envelope budgeting method. This method assigns every dollar a job, helping you control your spending. Mvelopes digitalizes this process, letting you manage your money anywhere, anytime. It integrates with your financial institutions for real-time tracking. Let's dive deeper into its key features. Envelopes offers multiple features. It auto-categorizes your spending, making budgeting easier. It provides real-time budgeting reflections, meaning your budget adjusts as you spend. The Envelopes Learning Center provides valuable financial advice. The Debt Center feature helps you create a personalized plan to pay off debts. Last, it offers interactive reports to visualize your spending. Envelopes offers three pricing tiers. Envelopes Basic, priced at $6 per month, provides essential budgeting tools. Envelopes Plus, at $19 per month, includes debt reduction tools, a quarterly checkup, and access to the Learning Center. Envelopes Complete, at $59 per month, includes one-on-one coaching, a customized financial plan, and priority support. Envelopes is ideal for individuals seeking a detailed budgeting tool. It's great if you want to control your spending, save for specific goals, or pay down debt. It's also beneficial if you value financial education. Envelopes provides resources to improve your financial literacy. Lastly, Envelopes is suited to anyone wanting to take the envelope budgeting method digital. Envelopes has several advantages. Its real-time budgeting allows for immediate adjustments, keeping you on track. The Learning Center offers valuable financial advice. Envelopes debt reduction tools can help you escape debt faster. Lastly, its integration with financial institutions simplifies budgeting by auto-categorizing transactions. However, Mvelopes has limitations. The interface may seem outdated compared to newer apps. It lacks investment tracking, which could be a deal breaker for some. It doesn't offer bill pay or check deposit features. Lastly, while Mvelopes offers great tools, its higher tiers are priced significantly higher than competitors. Key takeaways. Mvelopes is a comprehensive budgeting tool that digitalizes the envelope budgeting method. It offers real-time budgeting, debt reduction tools, and financial education resources. However, it has a higher price point and lacks some features. Whether Mvelopes is right for you depends on your budgeting needs and financial goals. In conclusion, Mvelopes is a robust budgeting tool with unique features. It can be a game changer for those committed to the envelope budgeting method. But remember, the best budgeting tool is one that you'll consistently use. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more informative content.